making sure I wasn't sipping anything. But hey y'all, it's your girl Kenzie and welcome back to my channel. It's another makeup tutorial. My hair is in a bun, but it is a little bit darker and shorter. I wish I would you guys, but I want to keep it in a mess a little bit longer. Man, I hate these nighttime video stuff, but we're gonna continue with it anyways. But how you guys doing? Anyways guys, I decided to do a really cute Christmas look. I haven't done a Christmas look in forever. I had done a Valentine's Day look years ago when I was like in high school going into college, and I've even done like other looks too, like a nice little sunflower one inspired by Adeline Morn. But I was like, I want to do something very Christmassy, something with a candy cane on it, maybe like a little Christmas ball. So I'm gonna try doing that. I have done so much special effects makeup kind of ish, not really special effects, but I've done really cool, a lot of makeup looks that I wanted to try this. Fingers crossed this doesn't fail, because I am not doing this again. But before we get into this video, I am doing Vlogmas, guys. It's sporadic at the moment, but I'm doing Vlogmas. I will put a link in one of the little things here, and of course they'll be in the little down bar below of where you can find the BTS and me setting up my Christmas tree, doing this and that type deal, you know, I don't know. But that being said, if you're new to my channel, it's the first time seeing my face, hi, what up, my name is Kenzie. You should really subscribe to my channel. You should really hit that little button right down there. There's a subscribe on it, and click that bell to post notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video every single week. Now, without further ado, let's get into this eye look. Alright, so I brought you guys a little bit closer. I have 3 palettes with me. I have the NYX Ultimate Color Eyeshadow Palette. I've used this so much. I might use the green in this one. The red I am debating on either doing something from the NYX Urban Heat palette that I have, but I don't feel like I have the right shade of red that I want. And then of course I have my Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star Conspiracy palette, and I know there's a red in here, but it's like a pinkish red. But I might use the Flaming Hot anyways, and just very lightly. But, so the plan is we're gonna do one camera on camera, and then what the heck did I just say, Abby? We're gonna do one eye on camera, and then we're gonna do the other eye off camera. So that way we can not have a 20-minute video, because I don't want to spend editing that, because I still don't have an editor. I actually had one of my old friends like, message me. He was like, hey, I'll edit for you if you like me to. And I told him, yes, at first. I was thinking about it, but then he was like, but then you have to pay me. Which is normal, but I was like, eh. But that's besides the point. Let's get into this video. Oh my gosh, I almost had to sneeze. Alright, so I am going into my NYX Ultimate Palette, and I'm going to take this green shade right here, and I'm going to have that as my transition shade. I'm going to use the mirror, kind of, that I have over here as like, I'm going to measure this now. This is my mirror. Alrighty, now that we got the green blended in, I am going to take my denser crease brush, and I'm going to take Flaming Hot very lightly though, and try placing it on the outer V and do a windshield wiping motion into my lid, but very carefully, because I'm debating which green I want to do. So let's see how this goes, because last time I used one of these greens in this palette, I looked like I got punched in the face, so wish me luck. Like, that's what I need, it's like a little pinkish tone. I don't think it's pinky, it's like a pinky tone, so let's, I mean, it's working. I'll take it, it's working. Alright, so windshield wiper motion, here we go. That actually doesn't look too bad. Right now it does look like I got punched in the face, but we are gonna fix that because what I'm gonna do, and I really hope this doesn't backfire on me, I'm gonna take my concealer and do a cut crease with my, I'm gonna do a cut crease with my angled brush. All the ways this can go wrong type deal, you know? Like, people think that I plan this ahead, and sometimes, yes, I do. But then there's times to where I'm like, let's take this a step further type deal. That's what happened with my Wakanda look. It was supposed to be like a really cutesy one, and then I was like, no, I wanted to add this, I wanted to add that. Oh boy. Alright, so let's cut the crease a little bit. We're gonna do a half cut crease. Okay, the cut crease doesn't look too bad. But here is what I could mess up. Because I have been debating if I want to do the Illuminati or the conspiracy on my lid. And I feel like Illuminati looks more Christmassy. Fingers crossed this works, so. Have I used this color? I've used this once. So, like I said, it looks like I got punched. Because me and I put it in the inner corner, so let's fingers crossed this one doesn't look too bad. I like how dark it looks. I'm gonna take Conspiracy with my finger and lightly tap it onto Illuminati and see how it goes. I think that actually saved it. Alright, I'm gonna take my brush and blend that out. That actually saved it, guys. That actually saved the look. Alright, and then I'm gonna go back to Flaming Hot, but I'm just gonna place it on my finger just slightly. And I will blend it out to make it so there won't be any harsh lines between the cut crease. To be honest, this doesn't look that bad. I thought it was gonna look worse. It actually doesn't look too bad. I love it. I'm just meshing up Conspiracy and Flaming Hot a little bit so it doesn't look too bad. So that's good plus. So let me just pat away the excess. Alright, for the under eyes, I think I'm just going to do something a little bit crazy for the under eyes. We'll see how it goes. Let's take Flaming Hot and lightly place it under the and I'm going to take the green from the NYX Ultimate palette and slightly place it in there as well. This is just on the front part a little bit and blend it in. And let's see, so it looks very Christmassy. You guys probably know that I got punched in the face. And FYI, I did. No, I'm kidding. I feel like it actually doesn't look too bad. But I do recommend you guys do your eye look first and then makeup, but I'm one of those people that decided no. Okay, so here's where it's going to get a little bit crazy. I am going to be using some of my NYX Bright colors. So I have the NYX Jumbo White Pencil, I have the NYX White Liquid Eyeliner, and of course I have the NYX Vivid Bright in the one red. And I would just use the liquid eyeliner, but I want to use first the jumbo eyeliner first to mark out the candy cane, and then go over it with the liquid eyeliner and then put this in the middle. So I'm fingers crossing this actually works, because I feel like this could go horribly wrong because I've never done this before. So No. Am I gonna keep it? Yes. I was just going with this first and then going in, but it happened. Next, I'm just gonna take the red and just dab it into the places where the white didn't touch, and it's gonna look like a little bit of a candy cane. To be honest, this doesn't look half bad. I'm gonna try something. It's probably not very bad, but we're gonna try it anyways. Alrighty. Now I know how weird it looks being close to the candy cane, but it's like supposed to be a ball, like a little Christmas ball. And I would try a tree, guys, but no, I'm not doing that. Okay, so these are 3 that I used. Again, I would go smaller, but this is not half bad, I can tell you that for sure. So I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and add the eyeliner and lashes, and then we're gonna focus on lips and we'll be done. So let's get on with the other eye. Alright, the eye look is all done. I did a wing eyeliner. I might have to get a new eyeliner because that one is messed up. And then of course new mascara, but I forgot to put in the inner corner of my eyes my highlighter. So I did my Wet n Wild Blossom Glow. I put that on the inner corner and blended it in, and of course used it all over my face. On to the lips, which is the last step before setting spray. You can either go for like a nice dark lip or a nice light lip, but for me I prefer a nice dark lip because of my dark hair and stuff like that. So I am going to be taking this NYX pencil in the shade Kitten Heels. I'm going to line my lips. The thing is, you don't really want guys, I don't like red at all, but once in a blue moon I will wear it for holidays. But very carefully I'll wear it for holidays. Like a light lip or a dark lip. I am choosing the Maybelline in the shade 80. That is called Ruler. I use this for my dark Elena look, and it was pretty nice, as you guys saw. And I worn it a few times to my Instagram before then, so this just gives it a nice little holiday to polished look, but also keeps it very holiday. I'm going to set my face with setting spray, and I will put my hair down. To be honest, I don't know why I set my face with setting spray because I'm only going to be wearing this for like 30 minutes maybe. Okay guys, I changed my shirt into my Christmas dress that I'll be wearing. I'm still wearing jeans, but that is the finished look. Let me wash my hands real quick. Anyways guys, this is my Christmas look. I love it so much. Probably on Christmas Day I won't be wearing the candy cane, but maybe on Christmas Eve I will. If I wake up early enough, I'll do a little Christmas candy cane little thing. But other than that, I love this look. I will definitely be wearing this more often this year. This is a perfect little one. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video so much, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up because you know that's very helpful. Comment down below what you want to see for next week's video. All my social media will be linked to the description below. You know, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, you know, all that will be down in the little doobie box below. And like I said in the beginning, guys, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below or right there. And you want to check my last video, it'll be right there. I love you all so much, and I'll catch you next week with a brand new video. Bye.